Here with Franklin College head men's soccer coach Sean Mahoney. And coach, overtime, third straight match. You guys have went to overtime. You finally got on the winning side of one.
Yeah, we've played a lot of soccer in the last 3 matches, haven't we? I mean, we don't like to play just 90 minutes. My guys love the game and want to keep playing, I guess. But it's hard on the coaching staff, I'll tell you that. It's hard on us. We probably get more stress than they do. But they've held together well. You know, they're competing. And the thing tonight was they got down, but they didn't get down on themselves. They pulled together the second half. Thought we passed the ball a lot better in the second half. Had a lot of opportunities. I told the Wabash goalkeeper after the game that I thought he really kept his team in. I mean, we had the ball in there, you know, within 12 yards of the goal several times there, and he had to clean up some messes, and I thought he kept them in the game, and we did a great job of just staying with it, staying with the opportunities, and eventually they come. And what can you say about Antonio Joey? I mean, he's freshman coming up big for us, and you know, can't say enough about that young man. Obviously, we hope he's got a lot more of that left in the tank for the rest of the season.
All right, thanks, Coach, and congratulations on the win.
Thank you.